Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Sarah Lohan and I make art videos. First of all, I want to say sorry because I was not able to publish any video for so long. I was super busy with shifting to another apartment and with some other stuff. So today I decided to film a video for you all. It's a very simple and quick drawing of this cute girl. I'm going to paint this sketch with my cute Himi set of gouache. I haven't used this set for so long and I decided to use it today in this sketch. I want to practice gouache because I happen to like this medium and I need more practice. And I believe this Himi set of gouache is really good for practice and it's easy to use and very convenient. You just open the box and paints are ready to use. You don't have to squeeze the paints from the tube. I really enjoy this set and I recommend this set to anyone who wants to try gouache. One more thing guys, sorry I won't be able to publish any video for a couple of weeks from now because I'm going to California for 2 weeks. But I promise once I'm back from California, I will make myself to publish 2 videos a week. Promise guys, promise. This is my third painting with gouache. As far as my experience with gouache is pretty much straightforward. I like an opaque application. I'm not into using gouache as watercolors, at least for right now. What I understand is that if you mix the right amount of water into the paint and bring the paint into creamy and a bit runny mixture, you definitely apply smoothly on your illustrations. So you just need to find out the right amount of water, mix it with the paint, and you're good to go and you can start painting. Like Bob Ross says, happy painting. We love you, Bob Ross. You're an amazing person. You was amazing artist. When it comes to the painting, I always like 3 layers in my illustrations. The base layer and the shadow layer and some touch up, and that's it. With gouache, as we all know, can be easily deactivate with water, and I found when I go with the second layer, sometime if I'm not gentle enough, I pick up colors from my first layer. But that doesn't mean I don't like gouache. I really love gouache and I really enjoy working with them. But I'm also planning to try Liquitex Professional Acrylic Gouache. They are water resistant when dry and it cannot be deactivated with water, and also the colors dry quickly to a permanent flat matte finish, which I love. I also heard really good things about Liquitex Acrylic Gouache and I'm going to buy them once I'm back from California. Let me know if you want to see the first impression video on them. I will be more than happy to do that for you all. I think that's all for today's video. I hope you really enjoy this video and the painting and me talking. Let me know your thoughts and your suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Have fun. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.